Miura boilers, safer by design. With more than 140,000 units in operation worldwide and over 80 years experience, Miura's safer by design once-through water tube boilers have experienced zero catastrophic vessel failures resulting in casualty. That's the best safety record in the steam boiler industry. And another reason why more companies are buying or switching to our Made in America steam boilers and accessories. Miura's incredible safety record can be explained by author R. Dean Wilson, who discusses the laws of physics and steam boilers in his book, Boiler Operator's Workbook, a well-accepted reference tool. Answering the question, why is an explosion generally less disastrous in a water tube boiler than in a fire tube boiler? He writes, in a water tube boiler, the large volume of water is distributed into many small tubes, and the volume of water in the drum is comparatively small. If one water tube bursts, the pressure in the entire pressure vessel is bled off slowly, and the tendency of the large body of water to flash into steam is minimized. In a fire tube boiler, a sudden crack in the shell or a flue pulled loose at the end causes the entire body of water to be subjected to a sudden and substantial drop in pressure. The huge volume of flash steam that results can cause an explosion of tremendous force. While catastrophic failure leading to loss of life is rare, steam boiler industry experts agree that some steam boilers are safer than others, and that's not simply based on physics, but on physical design and how it affects many routine operations every day. Day-to-day safety issues like burns, bumps, and bruises, and the injuries that can result from installation, operation, and routine maintenance are concerns that people who work with and around steam boilers constantly address. These everyday matters are less about physics and more about how a boiler is designed and engineered, including size and weight, ease of maintenance, accessibility to gauges, and a host of other design features that may factor into the potential for injury and make everyday operations more time-consuming, labor-intensive, and demanding. Consider, for example, the enormous hanging doors of traditional fire tube boilers that must be opened and closed during routine maintenance. Mounted on a davit arm with heavy steel on the front and refractory in the back, these doors can weigh thousands of pounds and present enormous physical challenges. Often, jacks are required to line up the doors so bolts can be screwed in using an impact wrench while standing on a ladder, causing an additional safety concern. The potential for injury based on this difficult procedure alone can result in back problems due to the heavy lifting involved, finger trauma and amputation due to door shifting while trying to line up holes, falling from the ladder due to required body manipulation to start bolts with an impact gun, finger lacerations due to replacing gaskets, eye injury due to gasket pins flying off, and more. While every responsible company provides their staff with safety equipment, fire tube boilers have extremely heavy doors, as opposed to water tube boilers like Miura, which have none. Miura's physical design and innovative engineering offer a number of other safety and efficiency advantages over traditional fire tube boilers, including heavy-duty threaded plugs instead of hand holes, reducing the potential for steam leaks and severe burns, a clean, open environment with no clutter, easy-to-read gauges and easy-to-do water checks, a compact design with no confined space entry requirements, simpler testing methods, the ability to produce full steam in 5 minutes, and more. In short, Miura's technology reflects some of today's most notable safety and efficiency advances. There's no substitute for safer operation, which is one more reason why Miura has grown to become the largest steam boiler manufacturer in the world.